In huge news for US stock market investors, US consumers, US citizens, and frankly, citizens of the world, the US Congress just passed the big, beautiful bill that was supported by President Donald Trump and will be heading to President Donald Trump's desk. This is going to have huge implications for all of those aforementioned individuals. In this video, I'm going to discuss the details of what's in that bill and what it could mean for stock market investors specifically, and the industries that are likely to be impacted, at least impacted negatively. There's one industry that I'm almost certain is going to be negatively impacted as a result of this bill, and some industries where there are big question marks surrounding. So let's take a look at what's in the bill and what it could mean for your investments. Yahoo Finance had a nice chart image of the Congressional Budget Office's estimates of the tax cuts and other provisions that's in this, what they're calling the Big Beautiful Bill. And the big part of it is the tax cuts. Those tax cuts and other tax provisions will cost the country $3.7 trillion over the next decade. There's also increased defense spending, which will total $144 billion. There's other costs that rise to $175 billion. Also, the country will be paying $551 billion in additional interest expense on the soaring national debt. I think by the end of the next decade, our national debt will approach $40 trillion. Wow, absolutely massive. The country is going more and more into debt, but it's not alone. European economies are going more into debt as well to support defense spending, and nations worldwide are increasing their willingness to borrow money. Some of the offsets, there will be changes to healthcare. Most significantly, there will be benefit cuts to Medicaid that will total over $1 trillion over the next decade. There will also be cuts to the food program, the SNAP program, which will total $238 billion. And there will be cuts to the education department, which will reach $350 billion. So there are roughly $1.5 trillion in cuts in spending. Click the link below to watch the full video.